going on, everybody? This is Bull Run Crypto, and today we're going to talk about coins that I'm looking to buy right now on this dip, and I'm going to give my explanation and reason why I would like to do that. Also, we have recently made a video, how low could Bitcoin go? We made it 10 days ago. And in that video, I basically anticipated the bottom to be possibly around $72,000 per coin, 70 to 72,000. If you look at the charts, you can see that range. I guess you could say from 68 to 72, but 72 on the high end. We'll see where it ends up going, but you can watch that video if you want more in-depth insight into that. Now, people right here like Vivek, they're saying, who the F is selling Bitcoin? The candles, they just keep getting redder and redder and lower. And we are really trying to figure it out. Who could be doing it? Is it Binance? Is it BlackRock? Michael Saylor just recently bought, but you can see ETF outflows. That's what some people are saying. So we'll end up seeing what happens with that. Some people saying that Trump or the U.S. is driving down the price. People are taking profits so that they can push the price down so that the United States can come in. You can see Anthony Scaramucci says USA is going to buy 500,000 Bitcoin soon. So it's happening. They say that was on February 15th. If it does happen, I mean, Eric Trump recently said, buy the dip. Eric Trump said this, okay? So, I mean, there's enough confidence out there for people to still be very bullish on cryptocurrency and Bitcoin here going into the future. And you could see he still tweets about Doge, which is Department of Government Efficiency, but, you know, it's like a hidden name for Dogecoin. Right here, buy the dips, February 25th. So it's going to be interesting to see how it shapes up, but you could see there is still reason to be bullish even for this cycle, and it's kind of following last cycle, the ebbs and flows, but it's a little bit off. It's not the exact same. We're running a little bit later into a bearish dip, but a lot of people still anticipate that it will turn the corner. Now, this is not professional financial advice. This is my opinion, and this is what I'm looking to do, and I'm sharing it with you. Please do not take it as professional financial advice. Always do your own research. So I'm looking at coins here that are down on the 7-day. We got Bitcoin down 19%, Ethereum down 23%. We've got XRP down 24%. BNB, 12%, held up pretty good. BNB seems to hold its value pretty nicely. I always think that Binance has a hand in some of these sales, these dips. They like to sell a lot. But Solana down 27%. That's pretty big. Dogecoin down 26%, Cardano 25%, and then Chainlink 25%. So I'm really looking at the top 20, okay? And I'm trying to find where the biggest opportunities are. Okay, so if we just start here with SUI, this is the first coin I'm looking to buy. If you look on the last year where its previous high was, it was around $5.29. You're basically getting SUI half off right now. SUI is going to be like Solana. It's faster, it's cheap, and it's basically the next one up. A lot of people think so. Also an American-made project, and I believe that Eric Trump has invested in it. Although I couldn't quite confirm it, it's just speculated that the Trumps are invested in SUI. So definitely an opportunity here. $7.93 billion market cap. I mean, some people have said SUI could go as high as $50. Just depends on where you want to put the projections. But SUI at $2.56 really isn't a bad buy. But if you're a short-term investor, you know, you have to take into consideration where it was trading around August, 61 cents. So that could be a low side for SUI, depending on how bearish we get. I mean, you could end up possibly getting it for around $2 or even less. But right now, I would say $2.56 is something that I am considering buying SUI. I'm actually going to be looking to put about a couple $1,000s into crypto on this dip. Now, I'm also looking at Chainlink. Chainlink, because it's down 25% as well. This is the Oracle. You know, they do a lot. They're even calling themselves an AI coin at this point. They've got a lot of categories that they fall under. But if you look at the last 1 year, Chainlink was trading around $29, about $30, again, half off. But if you look at the all-time high for Chainlink, $47. So right now, people are still looking at Chainlink, and it's like Ethereum. We're all just kind of waiting on the sidelines for when it's going to happen, but it hasn't happened yet. Then you have Cardano, one of the OGs, trading at 59 cents. Recently, it was trading at as high as $1.21. This one, again, half off. This one also recently was down to 35 cents. So you could expect a bottom around there. So, but at 59 cents, I would say it's closer to the low side than most of the coins. And because of that, this one's a really strong buying opportunity, I think, long term. If they ever get the ball rolling, Charles Hoskinson likes to rub shoulders with everybody, from Hedera to ETH Foundation, and even friendly with the U.S. government now, unlike the past. But we're still kind of waiting for Cardano to really do what Solana just did. Speaking of Solana, let's take a look at Solana. So this one here, you can see, let's see where it was at an all-time high, trading around 261, now trading at 127. This one's even more than half off, okay? So Solana could really be a strong buy opportunity right now. And you can see it's even back down to its previous lows around September. So this one is another one of those strong buys, but it's got a bearish sentiment that's rising. Still got a bullish sentiment, but the bearish sentiment is rising with this one, mostly because of the meme coins. A lot of people got burned in the meme coin, but I think Solana got to prove itself, and there's no real reason to think that just because meme coin economy was built on Solana, that Solana's done. I think Solana, just like ETH, had its day where the ETH DeFi went way up and then it went way down. The difference with Solana and ETH is it's a lot cheaper, okay? It's a lot cheaper to buy, sell, and it's faster to buy and sell and trade. So that's a benefit. It's also an American project, and I do believe that Eric Trump and Trump's family, Liberty Financial, I believe they're also into Solana. Now, if we come over here, you could see XRP trading at $2.01. This one's not quite on sale to the extent of half off. It's almost to half off, but not quite there yet, because it was trading at 327. It's down to 201. People say that maybe XRP has a little bit lower to go, but there's a lot of people who believe in a bright future for XRP. So XRP, if it does get picked up by the Trump administration, which there's some positive news coming out for XRP, it could really shoot back up. Even if you look at the all-time high for XRP, it says it's around $3.24. And yeah, so I think XRP has an opportunity to really shine. It could get a $1 billion market cap at some point in the near future. And if it does, that'll be really exciting for holders, because that would be about 8 to 9x. So XRP on that list. And then we have the OG of them all, Bitcoin. You notice I skipped over Ethereum. I'll give a shout out to Ethereum after, because I am a big holder of ETH, but I'm not as bullish on ETH as I once was. But Bitcoin in the last year reached its all-time high around $106,000 to $108,000. Currently trading at $79,000. You're not getting it at half off prices, but it is the OG. This is the one that you just buy and hold for 5 years, take a long-term perspective, and it's worked out for pretty much anyone who did that 5 years ago, including me. So Bitcoin, the OG, $79,000 right now per coin, could be a solid buy for those of you who are into it. Again, this is more of a conservative, safe play, but this is a buy, hold, and don't really worry. Whereas with some of those altcoins, they could be hot today and gone tomorrow. Even in the top 20, we've seen coins fade out. It's nice to see Litecoin coming back up, but this is really the coin that's the most stable. If we ever had a stable coin, although it's down significantly, it's down about 37% or 35% since its previous all-time high. But ETH right here, 2,113, all-time high with this was around 4,800. A coin currently sitting at half off that. Recently, it hit a local high back in December, around 4,000. Right now, you're still getting it for half off. ETH could be a strong buy, but I'm not a big fan of it because it's slow, it's expensive, although it does have most of the DeFi platforms built on top of it. I just feel like there's bigger gains and safer plays than ETH right now. But a lot of people are saying the sentiment towards ETH is strong, and they still believe that ETH has a bright future. We'll see what ends up happening. Let us know in the comments which coins you're looking to buy right now, and we will see you on the next one. You can also subscribe to our Bull Run Crypto on X. You can follow us over there if you're looking to keep up with us. as we continue to stay up to date with everything. See you.